Chromo Hollow Xerneas EX card. I apologize if I'm pronouncing the Pokemon incorrectly. Let me know in the comments if I am. Thanks. So anyways, we're going to open up this tin, check out the booster packs inside, and check out the card itself. Anyways, we're pretty excited to open this. If you guys like seeing other people open Pokemon cards, I have tons of videos on my channel where I open Pokemon booster packs all the way from the base set all the way to Ancient Origins. So if you guys like that, check out my channel. I also have Nintendo video game pickup videos and some toy reviews and stuff. So check out Genesis Destiny. Anyways, let's open up this tin and see what we get. Oh my god. So here is the tin. Let's open it and see what we get. Once again, we've opened one of these tins, so I don't know what I have in store. Sweet. Pretty nice. Got a code card. Sweet, guys. I've never opened a Plasma Blast, so that's really cool. And you got an X and Y and 2 Flash Fire packs. Sweet. So I'm going to be opening these packs and showing you what I get. Here is the Charizard pack. Let's open up this one and see what we get. This one feels heavy. Just kidding. Focus on this. Rabid. Fletchling. Ooh, a reverse hollow Ponyta. Ooh, and a good draw. Hollow. Sacred Ash. Lolita. Protection Cube, and a code. Now let's open the Flash Fire pack, the next one. Hopefully we get a Charizard. That would be lovely. Fletchling again, Ponyta again, Esper, Pidgey, another Pokemon Fan Club Reverse Hollow, Butterfree, rare. Very nice, Pokemon Center Lady, really wanted this for my deck. And a Dusclops. Cool, not the best hand, booster pack. Focusing for you guys, Skidoo. Ekans. Pretty sweet. Timber. Ooh, a Lightning Energy. A Reverse Hollow. A Swallow. Roller Skates. An Electrode. And a Hard Charm. Sweet, so an Electrode. So a Larvesta. A Bagon. A Machamp. Interesting art for the series. Snover. A Kangaskhan. Pretty cool. Reverse Hollow Muna. A Reneklinx. Ooh, a Relicanth. A rare candy. I remember these from the video games. I've never had a trainer card one. That's pretty cool. And an Energy Retrieval. And that's it. So Energy Retrieval. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, question, blah, blah, blah. Take care. Bye-bye.